The Congo rainforest, Earth's second lung. The Congo rainforest is Earth's second largest tropical forest, spanning 6 African countries. Its incredible biodiversity includes over 10,000 plant species, with 30% unique to the region. Iconic animals like forest elephants, chimpanzees, and gorillas call this lush habitat home. The forest has sustained human communities for over 50,000 years, providing food, water, and shelter to millions. However, deforestation, mining, and climate change threaten this vital ecosystem. Let's work together to safeguard the Congo rainforest.